Hi y'all, and welcome to my office. It's a mess, and so we're gonna clean it today. Today's video is a power hour. I am going to do an intentional power hour, and we are gonna get this office decluttered and get it cleaned up so that I can use it again, because it has just become a Monica's closet situation. So we're going to just get that done today. I want this to be a usable space. It's just sitting here. I'm keeping the door shut, and we are not enjoying the space at all in our home. Also, today's video is a collab with Kimmy Cope, which I am so excited about. I reached out to her and asked her to collab with me. I love her sweet spirit, and I will tell y'all more about her just a little bit on in the video. But right now we're going to turn this camera, not video, we're going to turn this camera around, and I'm going to show you this office. Okay, so before I set my timer, I'm going to show you my terrible space and just give you an overview really quickly of what it looks like. And I believe that I can get this done in 1 hour. So yeah, and I'm hoping I can get it done before an hour, but this is bad. It is a definite Monica's closet because I shut the door and don't let anyone in. All right, let's set our timer. We're gonna use my husband's phone today. We're gonna set the timer at 1 hour. Nope, 1 hour right there. Okay, here we go. We're gonna set this timer at 1 hour, and then we are gonna get started. This is my sweet friend Kimmy Cope. She has just got the best attitude ever. She is always trying to help and motivate people, and I absolutely love that about her. Over on her channel, you'll find pretty much all things homemaking, cooking, cleaning. She does gardening, which you will never find on my channel because I kill everything. And she also does one thing that really stands out to me is she does low-income grocery hauls and recipes. I love this about her. If you need to know how to stretch your food dollar, definitely go over to her channel because she can show you how to do it. She does motivational content along with day in the life, and it's just so encouraging. If this sounds like something you would like, please make sure that you go over and like all of her videos and subscribe to her channel and show her some love. Thank you so much, Kimmy, for collabing with me on today's video. Just in case you're wondering, I'm not just throwing things out the door. Like, I'm tossing things to my husband on the other side of the camera, and he's taking them to where they need to go, like the garage or wherever they're going. Anyway, I just was like watching this, and I saw me tossing stuff, and I thought they probably think I'm just tossing that out in the hallway or something, but he's catching it and taking it where it needs to go. Y'all, I absolutely hate mail. I hate going out and checking the mail. I hate bringing it in the house. I know this sounds so crazy, but you know, all my mail, I get it all electronic. So, and I have a lot of them turned, you know, paper statements off, but I still get mail. So here I am going through this ginormous stack of mail and throwing it in this trash bag so we can either shred it or burn it. But do y'all still get like tons of mail? Every day I get like wads of mail. It is crazy. And I just can't seem to keep up with it. I guess I could if I went over and like, you know, went through it and threw it away or whatever right then. But no, that would be too easy. Instead, I pile it up for, about a month, and then I have to sit and go through every little thing. Let me know in the comments if that's something that y'all struggle with, is keeping your mail cleaned out. If you've come over from Kimmy's channel, I just want to say thank you so much for coming over and hanging out with me. I'm Rachel, and I am in my late 40s. I have 4 children and 4 grandkids. We are empty nesters. We also have Samson the cat. He's still living here rent-free. I can't get him to move out. I'm just kidding. But on my channel, you will find anything homemaking, so cooking, cleaning, decorating, DIY, things like that. I also love fashion, but I love fashion on a budget, so I am the Goodwill queen. I love shopping at Goodwill. So on occasion, you'll see me doing some Goodwill hauls, things like that, and I love to decorate with Dollar Tree decor, anything that's on sale. I am all about staying on budget and, making $1 look like $1 million. If that sounds like something that you might enjoy, please consider hitting that red subscribe button and the like button. Also, remember to turn on the bell so you'll know when all my upcoming videos are coming out. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate you coming over. have a confession to make. I bribed my husband to help me out with this today because I really wanted to get it done in this hour time frame. But what I did was, he loves to watch cooking videos on TikTok. So I had him pick out a recipe that he found on there that he wanted to try. So I recreated the TikTok recipe for him, and it was mashed potatoes with a Salisbury steak on top of the mashed potatoes, drowned in gravy. So that's how I bribed him to help me. And he just so nicely came in there and worked really hard so I would make that meal for him. So if you're having trouble getting your husband involved, maybe bribe him with a yummy meal. Y'all, look at this. Oh my goodness, that is so gross. So I have 19 minutes left. We have been kicking tail in here. I cannot believe we got, why have I not done this yet? Like, why has this been sitting here like this? Oh my Lord, it didn't take that long to clean up. But so my husband's bringing in, he's gonna change a light bulb real quick. I'm gonna finish dusting the room, and then we're gonna give it a good vacuum. So I'm hoping that we can make it. Fingers crossed. Alright, I just stopped my timer and I have 6 minutes and 32 seconds left for my hour. I cannot believe that I have waited this long to get this cleaned up. It's nuts. I would have done this a long time ago, but I was so overwhelmed by it. Every time I would open up the door, I would just shut the door. So I am so glad that I took this power hour to just come in here and concentrate and get all the junk out of here and reclaim my office. So alright, y'all, well, that wraps up this video, and if you like this video, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button down below. Also, I want to thank Kimmy again one more time for collabing with me today. I'm so excited to be collabing with her. Make sure that you go over and check her channel out and show her some love. And I'm going to turn the camera around and I will show y'all some shots of the clean room to end the video. So I'll see y'all next time. Bye.